Hey everyone, it's Brianna and welcome to today's video. I am going to be doing a plan with me for the upcoming week. So I switched things up a bit storage-wise. I was using that Archer and Olive Traveler's case, and I've realized that it's really good for traveling. Not for my everyday planning, just to have right there and like go through things. It was kind of difficult. I had too many pens, too many stickers, like everything just didn't fit in there that I wanted to have next to me while I plan. But when you travel, so like when I went on vacation, it was perfect because I brought just the right amount of things that I needed. So let me show you what I have done. I'm gonna put my planner to the side. I'm still using this Erin Condren case. It has the washi from last month and this month in it. I have last month's in there still because I am still finishing my journal for July and I need to have the washi handy. Then I went ahead and I'm gonna say shopping. I went shopping in my home for some things that I could use. So this little basket is from Target and I've had it in my house for a while. Super cute and very handy. I have a lot of these just utilized in my home. And then what I did is I had this pencil case thing. It's like this, it spins. I had this in our schoolroom for a while and then stopped using it about a year and a half ago. It was just sitting in my cupboard and I decided, well, why not pull it out to use it and put all of my current pens, highlighters, this one's a click art marker, this one's Erin Condren, just some of the mild liners, and then these pens from Papermate. They're the Flair, and I have all the colors there that I need because I was realizing that I was walking back and forth to where I store all of my pens. It's actually in my closet. I have a desk in there and I don't know, a filing cabinet and like this cupboard drawer deal that I keep all my planning stuff in. And so I was kind of frustrated because I'm like, I just want everything to be handy, especially the things that I want to use. I put my sticker book in here. Let's see if I can scoot this a little bit. Sticker book, and then some of, I know this isn't the best angle, you guys, some of my Hand Can Plan stickers. This one is the Celebrate Each Day Erin Condren sticker pack. I'm using this for my homeschool planner. I've kind of decorated it a little bit and I'm ready to plan out some lessons. So be on the lookout for a video of that. And then my Cocoa Daisy kit for the month and all the things there. I have tip-ins on the side, photo paper here. This would be whiteout and tape and scissors and just anything that I think that I just need handy. So that sits actually, so where I plan in my dining room. So I'm on my dining room table and over to the side, I have a, it's not a hutch, but it's like a buffet table deal that I keep holiday dishes and things in. And on top of it, I have a stand where my planner sits. And then on the other side, I set this basket on there and it just lives there. And it doesn't look horrible. And when it's in this cute white basket and everything, it just looks put together and neat. So I am actually super excited about this. I think it will last for a while. And what I mean last for a while is I won't go and feel the need to change up and get like another caddy or something like that. This seems to be enough room. And I do have another white basket that's actually bigger. So if I needed to put more things in, I could just switch it out, get the bigger one, and then call it a day. Okay, with all that being said, let's get to planning. Now, we are going to be planning August 14th through the 20th. Wow, you guys, we are already halfway through August. I can't believe it. The fall months are upon us and I am so excited. Have you guys seen the September reveal from Jenny? I absolutely love those, the planner and the journal, like those books, the stickers, all the things. I am so excited to get my hands on it. I received a notification for delivery for my charms that I ordered. I ordered the scarecrow and the pumpkin, the small ones. I am so excited. And then, let's see, what else did I order? I ordered a new leather for fall. I'll show it to you guys when I get it. You want me to flip through last week? Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place today, you guys. So this was last week's spread. Last week was a week. I was just, my mind was in so many different places school-wise that, you know how like when you have too many things going on in your brain, you can't really even think? That's how I felt. And so there were times in here where I didn't even look at my planner for the day. I should have looked at my planner for the day because on Friday, I completely, see Thursday, I didn't do anything. We stayed at home all day and I got things done that I needed to do. I may go back and back plan. I haven't decided yet. Maybe I might do that on this video. I'm not sure. We'll see how much time I have. But Friday, I missed the kids' swim lessons. I completely forgot that was scheduled. I didn't look at my planners. I should have, because if I looked, I would have seen that we had swim lessons. Okay, my daughter was talking to me and I completely forgot what I was saying. I had to pause the video. Sorry about that, you guys. So today is Saturday. I haven't filled in anything yet for Saturday and I haven't planned Sunday. All I know is that today we have our CC orientation and potluck at 4. And so the prepping for that is going to be starting. I'm not going to be doing much today. I just kind of want a down day in the beginning and then just look forward to this. And this is like our big thing for the day. So that's my week. I mean, this is real life. I was kind of debating, like I was saying before, back planning and filling in what we did. It's not super necessary. If I have time, I might do it just to see. But like, I didn't even use stickers this week. The only time I used stickers was on this spread when I was decorating it. So hopefully next week will be a little bit better. And I guess I'll get to decorating. I'll be back. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do rub-on stickers, stickers with quotes, or just use up some of the stickers that I have from Coco Daisy. I mean, they're all so good. It's really hard to decide. I'm also thinking that August has turned into like this floral month. I have always pictured August with a mix between flamingos and sunflowers. And this year it has all been these beautiful florals. And I'm actually super excited about it. It's kind of just like getting me into this fall mood. And I think it's going to just flow and just go right into September just perfectly. A note about habit trackers. You guys have seen me try to use them here and there, and I'm never successful. For some reason, I like the idea of habit tracking just so that I can see improvement. But in reality, I really don't like them. I don't like keeping up on them, and I don't like seeing if I have failed. So, you know, that's probably why I'm not really using them. And then the other question to ask is, what do I use for the date stickers? Do I want to go more blue? Do I want to, let's see, where's my other, where did that go? There was another one here. Here, over here. Do I want to just be more muted with the colors? So I have to kind of decide if I even want to use these date stickers. So I'm not sure. I need to decide. I guess you need to make sure that your ruler is straight when you go to make these lines. I probably could have done better freehand, but that's okay. So I ended up using Mr. Pen. This is the highlighter. I purchased this on Amazon and they came with a bunch of beautiful different colors. I'll go ahead and link that below. And then I used this color of the Papermate Flair. I'm still gonna use the blue pen, but you guys, I got my Tool colored pens. Look at all of the colors. I love how they write. It's a ballpoint medium tip pen. I will link them below as well if you are a ballpoint person, just like me. But I think I am finished setting up for my week. I am excited to see what happens this week. I have my plan of what's going on, but who knows what's gonna pop up. It looks like we have nice weather. So I know school is starting for my oldest son, but I might go to the pool one of these days, just for fun. Tuesday seems like it'd be the best weather for that, but since we have piano during the day, that might not work. So Wednesday might be the pool day. We shall see, but so far, I am loving how this looks and how it turned out. I don't know if I'm gonna add stickers as I go or if I should sticker it up. I'm feeling like I might wanna add a couple stickers just to, I don't know, give it like a good start so that I have something down. Let's see what I could put down. I do like these fairies. I might add some of these fairies. It seems like it's just the perfect washi. Also, can we talk about this washi for a second? It was frustrating me because sometimes the flowers are upside down. Like, so these are right side up, these are upside down. So it's like, which way do you do the washi? Am I gonna constantly be flipping it? You see how now these are upside down and these are, so I don't know. I was trying to figure out what I was doing there. But it was kind of frustrating me because I like it to look all uniform and nice and the same. So I kind of had to get over that pretty quickly because it wasn't changing. So if it was upside down, I knew I had to be okay with that. So I guess I'm just adding fairies on every page. I guess I kind of like, ooh, no, oh man. This paper sometimes, another thing that frustrates me, you can't have certain like stickers and stuff down and pull them up because it just tears. So you have to be very careful and mindful of where you're placing your stickers. Okay, do I have any other? I don't. I might not have a fairy to go on Thursday. You see, I was doing every other one here. Oh no, I wasn't. Okay, I thought, oh no. Okay, so I put one there. So I guess I don't need to have a certain one somewhere. I can do them all in one place. This one seems bigger though, so I don't think I'm gonna use that one. Maybe I'll just go to some flowers. Let's see. This one is really cute. Let's put that one here. It actually perfectly matches that purple Papermate Flair, which is neat. I want to add this one. So I'm thinking, let's see, do what on the bottom, the top? Oop, gotta be careful. I think I'm gonna do it on Sunday. I'm gonna kind of tilt it here. That was a little too close to Sunday. I can't rip it up though, because it might rip the page, which is kind of a bummer, but I'm gonna leave it. And then I might do this one. Let's see. Let's do this one down here. Okay. That might be it for now. Although, let me see here. This one might be pretty. Are we going too floral, you guys? I don't know. Is there such thing? I'm not sure. There might be. But I am using all the floral anyways. Okay, that's a cute little butterfly there. And then I think I'm just gonna call it quits. I'm gonna stop there and then just decorate as I go along in the week. If I feel like I need to add more. I do wanna add these in here somewhere, but I'm gonna save them for later. Well, thank you so much for being here and supporting me and watching this plan with me. I hope that you have a wonderful week ahead of you, and we will chat soon. Bye, you guys.